Good morning, everybody. This is Russell with Recalibrate Physical Therapy, and I wanted to hop on here to address the question I asked in my Instagram story a couple days ago. Got a lot of good responses. A few of them were kind of the same concern, so I wanted to address that. And the question I asked was, what is your biggest apprehension to receiving telehealth? So thank you for all those that took the time to answer and communicate with me. Gave me some good feedback, but one of the most common things that came through as the biggest concern were from individuals that were mentioning, I prefer to have in-person or hands-on treatment, or my injury or limitation requires some manual techniques. So telehealth can't apply that. Great point, 100% agree with you. That is spot on. Sometimes you do need in-person sessions. Sometimes you do need hands-on treatments in order to solve the problems that you have that are keeping you from being as active as you would prefer to be or as you would like to be. So thank you for bringing that up. But at Recalibrate Physical Therapy, our ultimate goal is to serve and get all of you back to the activities that you love. So not only do we do telehealth, we also do mobile physical therapy. And what that means is for those times where you do need in-person sessions, whether you prefer that, simply you just prefer the in-person sessions, or your injury does require hands-on treatment, then we can set that up as well. And what mobile physical therapy means is I can come to your house, your work, the soccer field, really anywhere, to be able to deliver the service and the care that you want if you'd also prefer the in-person session. So just wanted to clarify that. For those that brought that up, again, thank you for commenting, provided me that feedback. But if you're having any orthopedic and sports related injuries that are keeping you from the active lifestyle that you desire here in Utah, reach out, let me know. We have in-person sessions, telehealth sessions, and at the very least we can hop on to a teleconsult, and through that consult I'll be able to figure out, oh wait a second, what you're dealing with would actually be better in person, or oh no, this is actually perfect, we can handle this injury straight through telehealth. Do you have a preference? So both those options are available. Thanks again for commenting, and hope all of you have a good day.